Creating animations. There are different ways of creating animations in Flash. Here you will learn about the following animation methods: frame-by-frame animation, tweening animation, motion tweening, and shape tweening. Frame-by-frame animation. In this method of animation, the contents of each frame can be changed manually. To do so, follow these steps. First, select the oval tool in the Tools panel. Second, select the stroke color and the fill color. Third, click on the stage and draw a circle. Fourth, click on the second frame in the timeline window. Fifth, insert a keyframe by selecting Insert, Timeline, Keyframe or by pressing F6. Sixth, click on the stage and move the circle slightly to the right. Seventh, add 10 more keyframes and shift the circle to the right in each frame. You can change the color of the circle in each frame. Eighth, to play the movie, click on the first frame in the timeline window, select Control, Play. Motion tweening. Tweening is an easy method for creating an animation. In motion tweening, you specify the initial and the end positions of an object. Flash CS3 fills the frames in between to make the object move between the two positions. Before you implement motion tween on an object, you have to convert the object into a symbol. To do so, follow these steps. First, draw the picture of a bird at the top left corner of the stage in frame 1. Second, convert the bird into a symbol. Name the symbol as bird. You will see a blue square around the graphic. Third, select frame number 20 in the timeline window and insert a keyframe by pressing F6 or selecting Insert, Timeline, Keyframe. Notice that all frames from 2 to 19 are now gray in color. Frame 20 has a gray fill with a black dot indicating that it is a keyframe. Fourth, select frame 20, select the bird and move it to the bottom right corner of the stage. Sixth, select any frame between 1 and 20. With the cursor in the gray area, right-click and select Create Motion Tween from the context menu. Notice the change in the timeline window. A light purple color with a solid arrow appears between the keyframes. Seventh, play the movie. You will see the bird move from the top left corner to the bottom right corner of the stage. Shape tweening. You studied how to create movement in objects by using the motion tweening method. Let us study how to change shape of an object by the method of shape tweening. Shape tweening does not work on symbols. So, do not convert the drawing object into a symbol when you want to use shape tweening. Let's take an example. First, select the first frame and draw an object, say a square. Second, select frame 40 in the timeline window and insert a keyframe. Third, while still on frame 40, select the drawing object and delete it. Draw a different object, say a circle, or use the arrow tool to reshape the lines and change the shape of the object. Fourth, click any frame between 1 and 40. In the Property Inspector panel, select Shape from the Tween drop-down list. Notice the change in the timeline window. A light green color with a solid arrow appears between frames 1 and 40. Remember that the drawing that appears on the stage is a mix of the two shapes. When you play the movie, you will notice that the square changes into a circle.